In modern times, the concept of Long March are traced back to China. Many of the communist leaders who took power in 1949 were part of the Long March which started in 1934, including Mao Zedong and Zhou Enlai.
This Long March laid the foundations for modern-day China.
China is the biggest trading power in the world right now, and its military is growing, its culture is growing, and everybody is coming to China, and China is becoming the new face of the world now.
Culture is a powerful element in projecting China's image to the world.
China has a strong culture, and theatre is just one of its representations. And like any other big power, China concentrates more on promoting its culture and selling it to the world.
Over the course of 60 years, Pak-China relationship has been described as exemplary by various leaders of the two countries. The real backbone of the Pak-China relationship is defense cooperation. The joint production of the fighter plane JF-17 is just one manifestation of the strides made in Pak-China defense cooperation.
Defense cooperation between Pakistan and China is the backbone of our strategic partnership, and everything is on schedule, everything is on track. I would also like to add that we are cooperating with each other in all fields.
But while the JF-17 made thunder, there are many classified hush-hush areas in the defense cooperation between Pakistan and China.
So the cooperation, is classified, but as you mentioned, the airborne early warning aircraft also supplied by us, and there's the joint products between China and Pakistan.
On the global power stage, Chinese strategic interests sometimes clash with those of the US.
我觉得中美关系呢，现在总体上发展是健康的啊，但是呢，中国跟美国之间还有很多非常深刻的战略性的问题。我想这些问题呢，不会因为中美经济方面的合作以及贸易关系的密切受到影响。这些关系呢，可能会有一些权益性的考虑，但是呢，我想不会真正的影响那些深刻的战略问题的。
China's achievements over the last 60 years are rooted in thousands of years of achieving great feats. Whether it is invention or ambition, the Great Wall of China stands for it all.
This Great Wall of China is the only other human construction visible from the surface of the moon. It is about 7,000 kilometers long, and that is very long indeed. And it symbolizes the greatness of China and the ability of men to achieve whatever goals they set for themselves. Arshad Sharif, Dawn News at the Great Wall in China.